Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first boxing match in FameLab history. In the left corner, with the big smile, is the contender of tonight, Mr. Confidence. In the other corner, wearing the sad face, is the champion of the world, Mr. Insecurity. Well, okay, this is not me just doing silly, because we all fight with feelings of insecurity. When I was 16, I felt insecure because one of my teachers told me that I couldn't become a doctor. Nowadays, I have a PhD in cardiovascular biology. So tonight, I would like to give you 37 trillion reasons why we are all winners. Are you ready for that? So the very first step. Are you ready for the very first step? Yeah. I said, are you ready? Yeah. Great. The very first step is the fusion of an egg cell and a sperm cell and the creation of what scientists call a totipotent stem cell. Now, a totipotent stem cell is like a factory assembly line because it can produce an unlimited number of new cells. The production of each new cell is controlled by a cell cycle checkpoint. Now, a cell cycle checkpoint is like a traffic light. When it is on red, it forces abnormal cells to self-destruct in a process called apoptosis. But when it is on green, it allows healthy cells to divide in a process called mitosis. Now, all these cells must pass the checkpoint, must pass checkpoint tests. But once they pass the checkpoint test, then they branch out. They branch out into those biological telephone lines that we call nerve cells. And they branch out into those complex memory sticks that we call brain cells. And ultimately, they branch out into a human being consisting of 37 trillion cells. Now, I don't know how many cells fail the checkpoint test, but I do know that we take it for granted that we go from a single cell into trillions of cells. So if there's one thing that I want you to take home tonight, then it is next time when that annoying Mr. Insecurity shows up, knock him out by remembering that there are 37 trillion reasons why we are all winners on this weird, wonderful, wacky, wonky, amazing planet. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.